Hi there. Do you know what the hardest thing in the world is? It's saying no to this amazing cake. But guess what? I have a super health guide. It's called the Holy Spirit Self-Control Guide. Self-control means sometimes I say no to things that aren't the best for me, even when they look really, really yummy. Like this cake, it's not easy. Sometimes I have to fight with myself. But I've learned to just choose something healthy, like these juicy sweet fruits. They give me energy and help me grow strong. Exercising self-control isn't just about food. It's about making good choices in everything I do, listening to the Holy Spirit guide you through, making sure you know what's right. I found it's okay to have treats sometimes, but the real power comes when I recognize when it's time to stop. Self-control helps us do that. So next time you see something super tempting, remember you have the power. You'll be powerful and strong in body, mind, and spirit if you use self-control. Stay healthy. Be a powerful force. Use self-control and stay healthy.